So the big picture for this lesson is about simple interest. And interest is money earned through investing. And there are two different ways to think about interest. One way is if you are borrowing money and you need to pay interest because you're using that money. Or maybe you're investing money and the interest is the amount of money that you gain. So there's a simple formula for this. I, which is the interest earned, equals PRT. And P is called the principal amount. And the R is the interest rate. And T is the time in years. So if you know these things, you can figure out how much interest is earned or paid, depending on the situation. So let's say, for example, I deposit $500 into a savings, and I know that the interest rate is going to be 2% per year. And let's say I have it in there for 5 years. So I can figure out how much interest I would earn using this formula, I equals PRT. So I know the principal, or the amount going into the account, is $500, so that goes there. But the rate is 2%, but that's the same thing as 0.02. You want to use the unitized value, not the percent value. Put 0.02. And the time in years is 5. Okay, so then all I have to do is multiply this out, and I will know how much interest income I will have earned. So using a calculator, I was able to figure this out, and the amount of interest is $50. So if I put $500 in savings at a rate of 2% annual interest, and the time is 5 years, I will have earned $50. So that's the big picture for this lesson.